I'm going to figure out the best retirement options for someone my age, right now. The way we think about retirement is changing. Gone are the days when retirement meant leaving the workforce completely at 65 and living off a pension. Today, people are living longer, healthier lives, and they're looking for ways to make the most of their golden years. Many of us feel overwhelmed or unprepared for retirement. We're worried about financial security. Will we have enough savings to live comfortably? We're concerned about healthcare. What happens if we get sick or injured? And we're searching for purpose. What will give our lives meaning and fulfillment? These are big questions, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But one thing is clear: we need to take control of our retirement planning. We need to think about what's important to us, what we want our lives to look like in retirement, and what steps we can take to get there. Let's talk about some modern retirement options. One option is phased retirement, where you gradually transition out of full-time work. Another option is working in retirement, whether that's through a part-time job or starting your own business. Some people are choosing early retirement with a side hustle, using their skills and experience to earn extra income. And then there are those who are relocating to a lower cost of living area to stretch their retirement dollars. The truth is, retirement is no longer a one-size-fits-all concept. What's right for you will depend on your individual circumstances, goals, and priorities. That's why it's so important to personalize your retirement plan. Think about what you want your life to look like in retirement, and then work backwards to create a plan that will get you there. So, what's the key takeaway? There are many flexible and customizable retirement paths available today. And the most important thing you can do is take control of your retirement planning. Start thinking about what you want, and start taking steps to make it happen. If you're thinking about your own retirement plans or concerns, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial planning tips, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest videos.